Hi and welcome to Door Designer, an app built for Shopify that allows you to offer your customers a fully customizable sliding door design experience, enabling them to select dimensions, materials, and finishes in real time, and offering accurate calculated pricing, eliminating the need for back and forth quoting and saving you time. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features to help you get started. To begin, we start on the Settings page. This is where we set up the fundamental options for our doors. The Door Designer Parameters section allows us to set our minimum and maximum values and can be changed from the default settings by clicking the Edit button. Here we can set our default minimum and maximum width, our minimum and maximum door opening height, the minimum and maximum width for a single door, the maximum allowable difference at either the top and bottom widths or the left and right heights, the minimum and maximum door count per set, and the default door measurements. And I can save my changes. Width and height template allows us to set our price breakpoints for when customers are entering their measurements and creating their doors. The door template options are the important variables that customers can choose from. Of these options, the frame styles can be issued their own specific pricing, as we'll see when we create our doors in a moment. For the other options, we can assign an add-on price that is a one-off cost per set of doors that will appear for customers in the app. We can also change the order of our options. The next step in setting up Door Designer is to create our door options by clicking on Doors and Create Door Type. This is where we add our structural options for customers, such as mirror, gyprock, painted glass, or vinyl, as this is the most important factor in our base pricing for customers. Let's start with vinyl. At this point, I can exclude any of the options that I don't want to be available in this door type. Then I press Save. To edit this door type further, I click the Edit button. If my door type has different inserts available, such as colors, styles, or moldings, I can also add them on this page. I pop down here to Inserts and click Add Option. If my insert is simply a standard color, I can add the title, remove the image URL, and enter a hex color. If my door insert has a certain style that might have an image attached, I first need to add that in the Shopify Content Files section. So I'll click on Content, Files, and I drag my image into this section. You'll see the image now has a little copy link button. I'll copy that link and head back to my Door Designer app. Now as I add my option, I can paste the image URL from my Shopify store in here. Now let's look at pricing. Door Designer allows you to enter your supplier pricing and the standard markup you'd like, and it will automatically calculate the customer pricing. In the same way, by entering product weights, shipping pricing can also be calculated for customers, giving them a real-time accurate price at checkout and saving you time. I'll start by clicking Edit Supplier Prices. On this page, I can set my weight and supplier pricing for each of my products, and also the profit margin and applicable tax rates. You'll see the first column is weight. This helps automate our shipping calculations. I'm going to click on each cell and enter my supplier prices into this table. Once all of my weights and supplier prices are in, I come across to the global markup section. This is where I can enter what profit margin I'd like on the products, either a fixed amount or a percentage. And I can also add any tax that is applicable to my products. And I hit Next. I can now hit the back button and return to my customer pricing. The Door Designer system has now automatically calculated customer pricing based on the global markup that I set along with my supplier prices. It's time to ensure our Door Designer is embedded in the front end of our website, ready for our users. To do this, I go to my online store channel and click Customize next to my store theme. In the theme, I find the page where I'd like to display my Door Designer app. In the template, I click Add Section, go to Apps, and click Sliding Door Designer. You'll see the Sliding Door Designer now displays on the page. I can change the title, and I click Save to ensure that I've saved my theme. And that's it. You've now set up your Door Designer app for Shopify. Please don't hesitate to reach out if we can help in any way.